Bueno, mi gente, esto es RD en tu pantalla, llevándote los avances del malecón de Nagua. Son las 2:30 de esta tarde soleada de este martes 21 de julio. Quiero dejarte con esta bachatita en inglés mientras observas el malecón. Tradúceme esa vaina ahí.
Since the day that I met you, my whole world changed its view.
Uy.
I wanna travel the world with you and be the guardian of a love so true. To hold your hands, to feel your grace, and walk beside you in this beautiful place. What if we go swimming in the ocean? What if we just play in the sand? What if you tell me that you love me while I carry you across the land? Under the sun, leaving worries behind. A story in the sand is what we'll find. I want my eyes to look at you whenever your beautiful smile shines through, because I enjoy your laughter so much, and your happiness heals me with its touch. Every second by your side is perfect and bright.